Hey there, so this is Kaz with another email marketing study. Now, this is an interesting one as well because this was in a weird niche in the sense of supplements, and so I can't obviously say too much because of NDAs, but it's a type of supplement that wasn't necessarily mass market, and you can kind of tell that because the last 30 days it was double digits in terms of revenue. Now, we still managed to really crush this campaign for them. Again, these guys, being in the food space, had a big issue with repeat sales. They had very high open rates, very high open rates because it was an engaged audience, but simply the content and approach just didn't engage them to a point of purchase, right? So their email flows simply just weren't converting. It was only doing, I think it was around 8 or 9% in total revenue from email, which is a decent increase, sometimes, but when you're in this level of revenue, you need a bit more, obviously, of a push, ultimately, especially if your audience is that engaged. So all in all, we managed to get these guys who are based in the US a 38% increase in revenue from email marketing, which is a very sizable increase. Again, when you consider that when you activate Facebook ads, that's going to go up even more, etc. Or whether it's SEO for more long-term recurring strategy. Now, outside of that, of course, there's been many kind of heaves and hurdles that we had to get through with these guys. What do I mean by that? We were very careful from a legal perspective because they are in the supplement space. So we're very meticulous and pragmatic in our approach to ensure that it was absolutely on brand from a content perspective and that they were super happy with our approach. Once we've got over those and made sure that ultimately everything was firing as it should, well, the numbers speak for themselves at that point. So if you'd like to make this your project, feel free to reach out below or just visit the website and take it from there. Cheers.